Hello everyone, it's me AlphaX26 and welcome back to another video. Today we are gonna be playing some multiplayer and so that's what we're gonna be doing. So that's basically it. Alright now, just okay. So the worst shotgun, the HS0405 is so bad. Now I cannot get a nuke, whatever you gonna call it, nuclear boom, nuke or whatever. So I'm gonna be getting a nuke in practice versus AI from it. I have never done this and I don't want to do it. It's so hard, not exactly hard, but oh my god, I might fail the first time, but let's start. I thought it was gonna go 2 seconds. Oh wow. Oh, none of these people are gonna be helpful. Oh, wrong loadout. I put the fast reload because the reload time in this is so much, and it's even just so bad. I put my no scope button because shotguns are usually fun. I usually no scope with shotguns because that's what most people do. And oh my god, I literally, how am I playing? No, dude. Oh, I can't use it. Not even my operator skill. I can only use this and then nuke. I'm jumping instead of shooting. Yeet. I put vulture on, so ammo is no problem for me. Oh, it's much faster, dude. Dude is much faster than I was. I tried it out once, totally just fail. I'm going well till now. Not accept that death, or might cut that out. Nah. What was that, man? I reload because I don't like reloading. So I'm not gonna get even one shot from me. Yeah, there we go, man. There we go. Oh, what was that? Hey, who told you to do that? Who told you? Who told? Which one? What? Why am I? This is not the match. I swear to you. Look at my frag. Oh no, that's break the rules, man. I can't just break the rules, man. Oh, stupid wall. Just get yeet. I'm out of ammo. Not exactly out. Wait, come on. I know you wanna. Just get cheated already. UAV does not matter. That just. Oh, someone watched. So, Mama Manisha. Yoi. That was nice. Nice. Oh my. Smack the table. What I never wanted to. Oh, you aim the ball. What do you expect? Oh. Yeet. I'm out of ammo. I got the Vita. Let's go. This is gonna be. I said it's not gonna be. But it's gonna. I was about to break the rules. Why am I trying to? Thank you, teammate. Don't. They just bought Come on, bots. Come on. I know you wanna lose, man. I know you wanna. Let's go, dude. Oh my god. It is just not this match. So I'm just gonna finish it off with my beat. Just gonna do two. They were probably on the invincible, right? Easy money. Really? I thought I was not even playing nice. Oh my god, dude. This was so bad, I could not even get it. I'm changing the map, man. Press crash, I won't crash. No, I'm not taking crash, you know. I'm gonna take... I'm taking it, why not? I think that's a short range play, so I think he'll have the advantage out there. So, what's name over here is Carsonia. The name is so bad. Is that why do all the snipers use either RPDs or they either use a BY15 or RPD, DLQ33 and literally a M4. That's literally nothing else. They can't use anything else. This guy got a DLQ33 with a tactical scope. Man, a tactical scope and that is so bad. Oh, what am I don't wanna aim, bro. Just no scope, man. Just no scope. I need to do one thing. Yeah. Just reload over here. Stay safe over here for some time. Need to do one thing. I need to make it smaller, man. A little big. There you go. This is nice, man. This is nice. This is nice, dude. It's nice, dude. What? That was so close range. It's a shorty. Why not? Dude, what? This is... Oh, my. Yeet. No, I can't break the rules. No. No, Vivon, you can't break it. No, you can't. Let's go. I'm gonna win this. Wondering what skin this is? It's a bandit one. Got it in the battle pass. I'm out. I just needed that. That's all, man. Man, that all. Oh no, I can't. Ooh, he had a sniper. He had one shot me. I thought he was gonna be there. Oh, hello. 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 Let's go. I got it. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, dude. Oh, we got it. I don't care about the alarm, man. I got it. Oh my god. Oh, we did. And practice was in there. Let's see, just 3 and...
Screwdriver का सेट कहाँ है?
That's all, dude. Oh my god. I did in practice versus AI. I've seen some other one do it. That's what like made me wanna like do it and all. Newtown doesn't have like they don't like block too much, you know. Alright, there you go, dude. Nice. That's nice, man. Oh, let's go. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Now, why did I get so less? That was. I feel so nice. I can play some Search and Destroy. Oh, crash. Oh, we're not using that again, man. That was. Oh, there's a one. Oh yeah. I thought it was big. Oh my god. Do we have to start like this? Do we have? What's and cabbage, by the way? I don't know what's. I'm gonna show you. Literally and cabbage. A yush poop song. Oh, there's just one more. Easy money. Easy money, man. Easy money. Got an EMP. Wow, nice. This is kind of nice, man. That nice. I just got the car died like few like days ago, you know, or just few days, and that's all. Climbing up the ladder. Why was I shooting, man? I need to do some stuff right here. I'm putting my shoot button even lower, so more low. There we go. Oh, still running. Anyone? Where's the last one, dude? Oh my god, man. Finally, Yash boy. Yash boy, what did I do? I live a sim, man. On your man. Think so. This guy's an industrial revolution of man. Eat. Take my frag. Put this here so no one can get me. Actually, I'm gonna put it somewhere else. I'll need to put it upstairs so if someone like chucks it. Here we go. Alright. Nice noise. Where are they, man? It's gonna take so long. Oh, I think I saw. I think I saw one. Oh, there's just one more. I'm gonna try to find him. Oh, there. Oh, I'm not getting any kills. What am I doing? I'm coming out. I'm gonna No. Oh my god, dude, no. Oh, that was so annoying, man. Oh my god. I'm shooting just one because I don't like it on odd numbers, man. Nah, bro. It's no scope. Holy, no. I need to change it now. Dude. Change it now. Oh. Score, dude. This is score, dude. It's lagging. Oh. Let's go, man. That was just 2 kills. This is 2. 2! So bad! That was me. Barely any.
मास्क पहन लो तुम लोग.
That was just nice. Nice, man, nice. I still came third. I still came third. What a. This. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Like, 12 My friends is just like playing. This is the last match. It's a domination fighting range. Wee. Just wait a second, dudes. Wait a second, my dudes. Guys, had it started? I just went. This is not gonna be like I'm not. Oh my god! I think this is gonna be cool. You know what I mean? So yeah. Oh, let's go. Never mind. I like to spray for some reason. Like why? I don't know, dude. Oh, that's why. Oh no, never mind. Actually, let me just do one thing. Now it's gonna happen, right? Right? It's gonna happen to me. You know, just whatever. Oh, let's go. I should have taken the points. Why didn't I? Where was he? Like, I could see only Oh my god, that's such a good place, man. Man, that's a good place, dude. Oh yeah, I just wanna... Oh, that's nice. Nice, no. Nice. No. Stupid RC car. I hate it. Get yeeted, man. Get yeet. That guy AFK. And if you don't know what's AFK, so away from keyboard or whatever you are. Hey, let's go. Capture man. It's in the air, by the
Run your open mom's cover.
Just wait a second.
See, there's a big bunch of keys in the drawer. Big bunch of keys in the drawer. Check this drawer.
Oh, dude, I missed it, right? I think I might have, right? Oh, what was I doing? No. I'm getting the points. There, thanks. Oh, I thought it was going to be like what? 200. That's the highest which it gives, man. my god! I'm gonna do this. Yeah, these guys, these dudes. I don't know. I'll change the stuff around here. Yeah, this is gonna be nice. This is gonna be yummy. Oh, I had no chance. Oh. I'll have to aim. Yeah, I had to aim, no, sir. Big Maddie boy? It's a VTOL. We got a VTOL. Got a VTOL in the air. Oh my god, dude, no. No. When did the... Oh my god. I'm switching the load out, dude. Run. The video got destroyed. Oh my god. If you didn't see that. Right. Oh no, man. I'm just gonna no scopia. Exactly, dude. Oh, wasted so much of my ammo. I'm not even good at it. Freaking. What am I making a sound of, dude? What am I doing, me? Oh, no you don't. Don't dare come here. There. It takes so long to just... Oh, we lost. Nice, boy. Nice, boy. Just 1 second, dude. Hey, what happened to the screen, man? Oh, I thought like the charger ran out. I put it on charger just because the thing and all right. So yeah, that's today's, but man, these guys are good, man. All right, guys. That will do it for today's video. That's me, Alpha X26. Peace out.